Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a Coach unboxing. This has just arrived from the mail today and let's open it together. So it was really packed well. And this is what it looks like, guys. It is called Bridget. And this bag is really pretty. As you can see, the smooth leather is so pretty. And let's try to open this packaging. I first saw this at the outlet and I tried it on. However, I wasn't able to make a decision to buy it as the closure is like inside of this strap, and I'm thinking there could be a delay when you get your stuff in and out. However, I was not able to stop thinking about it and look at it online and saw it and bought it. So this is, we're gonna remove all of this so we will see the beauty of the purse. Okay, so this is the bag, guys. Very pretty. And here on the sides and at the back, the strap has a good drop, and inside looks like this. So this has a suede lining. I'm gonna put the price in there. It is well priced since it's from the outlet, and this is what I'm telling you about of the suede lining. And it also has a zipper compartment here at the back and a decent amount of space inside. The closure looks like this, and to remove the lock, you just have to press this down here. So let's close it. I guess if it's empty, it's hard to close the bag. And if you're gonna put it on, it looks like this. So pretty. It is a classic design, and if you look at the leather, it seems like you paid thousands of dollars on this purse. However, this is not even close to $300 USD. If you're curious what can fit in this bag, currently I'm using this D20 that I really love. Let's first compare the size of the purse. So the width is comparable with the Speedy 20. The length is more than this Speedy 20. And let's put the stuff that I have in here. Let's try to see if my organizer will gonna fit in this purse. So this is my Zumuni organizer. And if you're gonna purchase this for your bags, you're gonna get 20% off using my discount code Stardust LV. So let's try to put in here first, since the width is comparable, if it will fit. So it fits, guys. So if you're gonna look at it, it looks like this, and it still have space here at the side. So let's say I'm gonna put this at the side and then put my Rosalie wallet. So it looks like this, and let's close it there. So to open it, you have to press this down below and open the purse like so. So if you are putting it on your shoulder like this, so open the back, grab some stuff here, and then when you close it, you just have to press it there. Or let's say you grab something inside and then you try to close it. So you just have to get used to it, as this strap, it's in the way when you open it and close. So you see this strap is in the way. So you just have to get used to it and It will not be cumbersome if you are already like used in taking stuff. Let's say I'm gonna get my wallet. So this is my Murakami wallet. If you get some stuff, it easily closes. Let's say I will not push it to close. Oh, it just closes automatically once your arm will gonna hit this part. Again, let's do it. Open it. And then, yeah, it automatically closes, which is good. So this is it again up close. The smooth leather feels so luxurious and looks expensive, like those $1,000 bags that we buy. It also comes in different colors. It's in white, black. The white and black are pebbled leather, and this one is smooth leather. And there's also a denim, which is like a CC design around it. So yeah, what can you think of this? Bridget is so pretty and feels luxurious. It stays on the shoulder if you're gonna put it on. And let's do some mud shots, guys.